Hey there everybody, what is going on? My name is Aditya and welcome to chapter 1 episode 1 of Elixir. In this episode, we'll take a look at how to install Elixir. If you already have Elixir installed, just skip the video as there will be nothing new. Firstly, open up your web browser and go to elixir-lang.org. Once you are over there, just go ahead and click on the install tab. Now the process here depends on the operating system that you have. In my case it is Windows. For Mac and Linux the specific instructions are provided. You'll have to install Elixir via terminal on these operating systems. If you are using Windows like me, simply just go ahead, click on Windows and download the installer and save the file. And it's pretty much the standard stuff for the Windows installation. All that you have to do is just go ahead and click on hitting the next until the particular Elixir version is installed onto your machine. Since I already have Elixir installed, I'm going to go ahead and cancel this. To check if you have Elixir installed on your system, go to your terminal and type elixir -version. Now what this should print out is the Elixir's version and the Erlang's version onto your system. If you see this, go ahead and watch the next tutorial. If you do not see this, if you have any problem, go ahead, comment below or search on the internet for the solution. I'll see you in the next video.